My name is Liu, and I'm the lead faculty and head of a graphic design in fine art department here at Cuesta. Basically, graphic design is something that we can use in computer right now and to manipulate the ideas, to visualize the ideas we want for print objects and for screen objects.
My favorite thing about the graphic design course here at Cuesta College is really the way it's taught. I feel like Mr. Liu really focuses on each individual student and the way they learn. Everything we do, it feels like it has a purpose. Everything we do, it sort of caters to the bigger picture, or our portfolio, as he may say. He really is encouraging our future. He's really encouraging what jobs we may get from these classes. It feels like he's benefiting us from every class.
What I like the best about the program here at Cuesta would be the professors. They are very knowledgeable. I've learned so much. Every time that I come to class, it's a learning process.
One benefit of the students start to their career or learning path as a graphic designer from Cuesta College is that our program will provide not only for particularly software or just one direction of a topic like typography or like a traditional syllabus. We're offering overall view of the whole industry. I think the unique feature for the graphic design program here is we're active. We're listen to the industry. So if there's some new topic or new software here available, we will try.
I do feel that it's so hands-on that you're getting ready for the real world, and I feel like it's really going to allow me to be ready to land a job in graphic design. I've looked at job posts, so I can see that InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, all those programs are needed.
Mr. Liu is very good at telling us where to start. Starting simple and then growing from there, showing us all the possibilities so we can start with one little thing and grow it into this much bigger picture, something really that comes from our heart and really that we create. And I think that just knowing how to take that step, that first beginning step, is really important. Graphic design is the best way to learn how to take that first step.
We are working on to make the student to experience different media and different art, like 3D printing, like motion graphic. Sometimes it's beyond the traditional definition of graphic design, but we want to give the student a try before they leave the program.